Hey everybody, what's up? Texas Nova here. Got another update for you guys. Check this out. Finally got my line lock in from eBay. It is a generic piece. It is from China, whatever. But you know what? It's the same one that Hurst uses. Their Hurst sells theirs for like $110. This one here that I got, $53.50. Check this photo out. So as you can see, it's the same. I don't get it. You know, maybe your sticker is worth 50 bucks, but you know what? Enough said. Let's go check it out. So here in the car, like I said, I don't have everything hooked up just yet. Just got some wires just kind of hanging there. That is it right there, okay? Okay, so there it is right there. That is my line lock. This line here, that goes to my left and right lines. And let's see if I can get my finger on it. This line here is I went ahead and pre-bent. That's going to go to my master cylinder right up front inside the engine bay. Where I have that at, that's right there by my third member, up out the way. Now I'm going to be running exhaust through here, and it's going to go underneath the third member. So it's nice and tight up out the way. So there you have it. So I'm really not going to go into much detail on the installation part of it. It's really pretty basic. It's just this little solenoid, and you run your negative and your positive to the appropriate terminals and to your switch and bend some lines. So probably what I need to do is show you guys how to bend some lines just like the ones I did here, and the little tools that you do need. So let me show you this one little rental piece that I got from AutoZone. So I don't know if you guys have ever used any of these here. This is a rental double flaring tool, and I got it from AutoZone, brand new. And that's even the cellophane that came on it right there. So brand new, but let me tell you guys, this thing is shit. It is complete garbage. You may get just a few out of there, and I only used one little adapter, and that's it right there. And what happens is that when this seat's in the correct hole, whatever you want to call it, it starts to walk on you. It's garbage. So you really got to take your time. And if any guys ever used any of these, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Garbage. It will get the job done, but you got to be real careful, man, because as you can see, let me try to get a good shot on it here. That's just maybe four, five, six. 6 flares out of that. That's brand new. Brand new. Anyway, it's garbage. It's rental. It's going back. I only rented it for 30 bucks. And I'm going to get my money back on it. And so if I'm going to be doing any more brake lines for anybody, trust me, I'm going to go buy me a good one. So that's it right there. Okay, so let's go inside. Let me show you real quick how this thing operates here. So this is my button here. And if you can hear it, I'm going to click it a couple times. That right there, that's my solenoid engaging. So how this thing works, go ahead and pump your foot on the brake, okay? 2, 3, 4 times. Get you a nice pressure on there while the foot is still on the brake. You're gonna come over here, push that down. Let your foot off of the brake. This is gonna disengage the rear tires, but your front tires are still locked up. Now your rear tires are ready to go, and you can do the biggest burnout without the worry of screwing up your brakes. So there you go, guys. Well, there you go, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for commenting. And I've got some more updates coming for you guys. So hopefully in about 2 weeks, this thing behind me is going to be getting some paint on it. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.